So what battery should I buy?
Basically, we have three kinds of batteries. The first one we call a wet battery because it's actually the best battery. But we call it wet because there's liquid in here. So that if you shake it, you can actually hear it sloshing around. This is a wet battery. This battery we call a gel battery. Gel battery because the electrolyte is not suspended in water, but it's more like a viscous material, kind of like jello. And then here we call this an AGM battery, or an absorptive glass lamp. Think of it as electrolyte, not suspended in water, not suspended in a gel, but suspended in a fiberglass sponge. And that's what this is. These two batteries are what they call sealed lead acid batteries, which means that if you shoot a bullet through it or if it breaks or spills, you won't have any acid on the ground. Of course, with the wet batteries, you'll have acid on the ground. Now, the question was, what kind of battery should I buy? Well, that depends on what you're going to use it for. For the standard person, or for the standard use, the wet battery is the best battery because it's one thing the most economical, and it's actually very forgiving. Like if you were taking a trip and going to the mainland for a couple weeks and you had to leave your car at the airport, your battery would probably go dead, but with this battery you'll probably be able to recharge it and be okay. Whereas this battery here, which is the AGM battery, by the way, the AGM battery, it could be an Optimal or an Odyssey battery. These are real popular brand names, and people call them gel batteries, but as we just mentioned, they are not really gel, but they are AGM batteries. If you go on a trip for a couple weeks and you leave your car at the airport, this battery will probably go dead just like the wet battery will. But you're unable to recharge it because it just won't recover. This type of battery is usually twice as much than this battery. The example would be, this is an $80 battery, and this battery is $160 battery. And that's basically it. Do you have any more questions?